AWS. So first of all, we will take one EC2 instance. That EC2 instance we can see here, which will pull the tweets from the Twitter, and we're gonna write down the Node.js application in the EC2 instance, which will pull the data from the tweeters, and it will dump that data in the Kinesis data firehose. Now that Kinesis data firehose will store the tweets in the Amazon S3 bucket, and that Amazon S3 bucket will trigger the Lambda function. Now that Lambda function is written in the again in the Node.js. So it will take all the tweets, and it will translate that tweets in the different language with the help of the natural language processing. And again, once that translated tweet will get, it will be again dumped to the Amazon Kinesis firehose, and which will be dumped into another S3 bucket. Now that's our final product in the second S3 bucket. Now the Athena will take those tweets from the S3 bucket and visualize with the help of the QuickSight. So we're gonna quickly go to the Amazon S3 and we will find out that how we will do it. So here is the whole architecture for that. I will go a little bit quickly. So it is architecture. I have written down the cloud formation, which is the infrastructure as a code. So you need to write down the code, and once you provide that code to the AWS, it will automatically provision all the services. So here is our EC2 instance. Here are the S3 buckets that you can see here. This is the to result bucket, and this was our main bucket. So you can see here this bucket, right? And this is the Kinesis firehose that are delivery streaming. You can consider as a live pipeline from Twitter to the direct in the infrastructure of AWS. So constantly every 2 minutes or 3 minutes your tweets is coming in the S3 bucket. As soon as that tweet will come, what it will do, it will trigger a Lambda function which is written. It will trigger this Lambda function. You can see here it is written here, and the event is S3 bucket. So as soon as S3 bucket will get data, it will trigger the Lambda function which is written in the Node.js. And here we are using the natural language processing translating function with the help of the SDK in the Node.js. This is all the code for that. As soon as it will get the data in that one, and after that it will dump this data in these two S3 bucket. Why this is two different S3 buckets? Because one is for the result and another is for the processing, right? So now once we will get the data over there, now what this is, we can see this is the metrics from the Amazon Translate. I can see, let's say last 1 hour, and you can see that how much translation happens, average response time, character count, and everything. Now once we will get the result data, the translated tweets from the different language to the common language, right? This is a Spanish to French. This is, you can see that Portugal to English, German to English, all the different processing part. Once you get that, Athena is the service which can run the SQL query on the raw data in the S3 bucket. So Athena will get this data in the form of SQL query. Once we get that data and once we translate that raw data in the form of tabular format, we can visualize the data in a dashboard, in the live dashboard. So once this Athena is here, we will just go to here, and I have already connected everything, query part and connecting this QuickSight. QuickSight is a very well-known service in the AWS for the visualization. So I have connected this visualization with the Athena, and Athena is connected to the S3 bucket. So it's a constantly real-time pipeline that we have built, and every flow is going here, and at the end result we are getting the different kind of tweet. We can see that organization, so it's 61 for by the here it is display in the form of category, and here it is the sentiment analysis of it, that how many people are neutral, how many people are positive, how many people are in the mix. And here are some top tweets as well, you can see. So that was the project. In conclusion, it's a real-time dashboard, and we are creating the real-time pipeline from S3 bucket from all the way to the quick site, showing that what's happening in the Twitter.